Last minute Christmas shopping. Almost last minute. Cookie thief, that's cute. How much are those?
Probably 30.
Yeah, $30.99. Tic-tac-toe. Tic-tac-nay. I'm sorry. Oh my goodness, $25. Look at that. Everybody look.
This is a real handy thing to have when you're out in the rain. I have one of these when I was a kid. Watched the man from Stony River. I had a brown one. Yeah, that'd fit him.
That's the cowboy version of a raincoat.
The FR or the regular?
You got the
Cowboy.
Christmas spirit. It's the Christmas spirit that you have.
Yeah, you got me gingerbread socks, and here I am trying to be serious, trying on boots. It's got a spur rest on it. What do you think? This is almost the exact same boot you didn't like the other day.
No, it's not. The other ones were shiny, and or maybe it was because the pants were different, but it looked like your foot was doing something different. Those are nice.
Well, it wasn't, because I promise you it's the same foot. Got a different sock on.
Lee Wrangler Clearance Center.
I like this one better than that one.
I like that one. Simply Southern. Sometimes they have good stuff in here, sometimes not so great. This is the outlet stores, you know, so a lot of times it's just the leftovers. These are only $5.99.
There you go. Wear that thing for 2 more days.
Yeah. Turn it around. Okay. Yeah, these are only $9.99. Yeah, follow the word, not the herd.
Want the herd, folks.
That's cute. They're buy one, get one 50% off. Here's a sweater with the boots. There's a sardine shirt. You want to get that for her Secret Santa? She'll love it.
Yeah.
Okay. He got Sissy for Secret Santa.
This is the place for buying footwear.
Oh, yeah. What is it? Skechers. And then you have,
footwear.
This looks like expensive footwear. Here's a perfume outlet.
Stop
You can smell it.
Yeah.
No, it's okay. But you can smell the perfume outlet before you get to it.
That's right.
And then you got
Adidas. It was a big deal when we were,
oh yeah, those black slip-on things with the Velcro strap.
That was it, buddy. Get them too big for you.
With
Let your toe
socks.
hang off the end.
With socks. We are now
In Wally World.
Wally World. These make good stocking stuffers. Oh, those can switch from skates to
You want to get them
rollerblades.
for him?
If you want
He
to.
might like them.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
What
There's
is?
a pink one up there. Okie dokie. In my day, we all had harder heads back then. Everybody, you was born with a helmet.
A hard head, right? It was natural.
They're not born with helmets anymore. What do you think about this? And this is Sonic the Hedgehog, ain't it?
Yeah, it's got little birds on it.
What do you think? This one?
Yeah, that would be a good one for him.
What's for supper tonight? We're thinking tonight, Fallon's already been doing the green beans with the bacon. Get us one of these big old iron skillets here. One of these bad boys. And let's make some hamburger steaks. Cheryl told me that place I was telling you about over the mountain, lots of people say that's a very good place to go shop. That place I was telling you about over there near Blairsville, it had a rooster on the sign. Y'all, I'm gonna start this out right. I'm gonna go ahead and get us some bacon. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna make a hamburger steak tonight. As most of y'all know that's been watching the channel a while, y'all can trust my recipes. Thank you for trusting my recipes down through the years. I'm gonna start it out right. You can't never go wrong if you do bacon. You know, everything's gonna be all right. Everything in the world can be going wrong. When you cook some bacon, it'll fix it. See, I'm doing something new today, y'all. I'm actually throwing bacon in a cold pan. Instead of hearing that sizzle right when it hits, it's not. All you're hearing is that boop. Hear that? We're gonna cook a good bit of bacon here, just to get us in the spirit. Yeah, to get us in the Christmas spirit. And it also get this pan doing right. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Manly did something this year, y'all, that no one has done in my family to my knowledge. He's starting a new thing where he goes around the house, gathers presents in the house, puts them in a bag. Bring me mine, buddy, so we can show him what you did for me. This is what he did for me this year.
There's nothing breakable in here.
Okay, so I got him a bag for Fallon the other day. He went around, found some stuff. See, I don't know what's in this bag. I may have seen it before, maybe several times. I've maybe even handled this before, some of this, right? Some of this has probably already been mine before, but you're going to surprise me with it again. See, that's the way he's doing. Good job, bud. Thanks. Those are the special moments in life. So if anybody's in a situation like there this year that you just forgot to get somebody a gift, when you go in their house, there's going to be a lot of people talking and getting together. Just reach over there and get a candle.
There's a candle up there, Daddy.
You just walk by and see this little sign that says milk and cookies. Put that in there, like that right there. Tape it up and hand that to them. Man, that looks like that one that I had in the kitchen. I'm cooking this bacon kind of slow. It's going to put a really good flavor in the pan. This pan's already got a lot of flavor, but this bacon will just enhance the flavor. Folks, I'm fixing to try something different on you. I'm fixing to do a meatloaf hamburger steak. I got my bell pepper out. I got my bacon going.
Jonah could not wait until Fidget Santa is going to happen.
Where's the onion at? We probably got some onion powder up here.
What's that delicious?
Folks, we're out of onions.
Let's see if it's an onion. Do you think it's an onion?
I kind of do.
It's
It is.
an onion.
Folks, we just got an onion for a present. We'll just let that bacon kind of relax right there just a little bit while we get our onion ready. I want these onions to be really fine chopped here tonight. Now I'm going to take me some of this good old bell pepper. We'll dice these up really small too. This will be kind of like it won't, you know, it's not really a meatloaf, but it can be. Y'all, my hands are clean. I want everybody to know that. This is where I'm going to throw a curveball at you. This is a mozzarella blend. I'm going to put just about just about that much in there. How did it happen, Titus, that you came up with something that the whole world's talking about, hamburger steaks again? You know? Now we're like, I don't know. I don't know.
We don't know.
We don't know. I met some of my Indian friends on the mountain, and they told me about curry powder. Fallon's making some of these small potatoes in the air fryer, so they'll be done in time, y'all. We just want to lay it right down like that right there. Look at that. That's a fried meatloaf. Folks, I just came up with a fried meatloaf. And that's good. We're fixing to go get in the hustle and bustle, everybody. But I just made something, and Fallon's doubting me on it. I know she is, but folks, I know this is gonna turn out good. I feel it deep in my bones.
The meatloaf hamburger steaks were great. That was great.
Yeah, but I'm fixing to show you a muffin, is what I'm about to show you. A holiday apple cinnamon muffin.
With freshly ground cinnamon.
Yeah, well, this ain't freshly ground cinnamon.
Oh, you didn't take it out of that?
Nope, I didn't.
Oh.
But it's still an apple cinnamon muffin that's fixing to be fantastic, and I feel it deep. Deep, deep. Should I brown them a little bit? Folks, I'm doing everything I can to make these look a little better for you. I don't want you to get scared on Christmas Eve. The smell of Christmas is in that oven. It just ain't the look.
That's okay, because those meatloaf hamburger steaks you made earlier, I'm not kidding, that really was like, I don't even know if I would ever want meatloaf again. I think I would just, if I wanted meatloaf, I would rather have that.
I gotta be honest, I have to agree with you.
It was really good.
It really was. I actually like the thickness of it and everything. You know what? They're trying to rise a little bit. They're trying to rise a little bit.
I saw some weird bubbling action happening.
Folks, my muffins are bubbling down there. That's them right there. See, what you could do is serve them in the wrapper. Now, we're gonna be having wrapper bowls this morning. Unusual textured bubbled apple cinnamon wrapper bowls. Another Titus.
Y'all just come back for supper. We having fried meatloaf.
We're gonna have fried meatloaf. Just make sure you enjoy your day, because this man is fixing to make some fried meatloaf tonight. Y'all be ready for it.
It tastes like a baked oatmeal. Baked apple cinnamon oatmeal. That's what it tastes like. What's happening?
Something's making me shut down. Eat my fried meatloaf. Do not even go there. I know why Fallon didn't want me to video this. The pancakes I made the other day were great. I put a little nutmeg in this right here and I messed up. That fried meatloaf, we're gonna keep talking about that down through.
I'm not kidding. That, I promise, I don't think I will ever want meatloaf again. I would want that. It was that good.